dropped off by FedEx. They threw it out in a ditch by the road. That was great of them. Amazon put theirs on the porch. Plowed the driveway out for nothing. Thanks, FedEx. Amazon just brought something and dropped it off at the porch. And FedEx still drops theirs off out by the road. Yesterday they said they couldn't deliver things because it was too icy. So I plowed things out for nothing. But, we want to see what they had to drop off for, so let's check it out. Ordered a gear bag. Previously I kept all my gear in a huge bag in my service crew, and them didn't appreciate having to get the stuff out of it because it was like 8 feet deep. So I ordered a bag to make things more easier to get. When they go to tech, they have to take my fire suit, helmet, and neck restraint. So I needed something to help organize them things. A lot of gear bags are extremely expensive. Again, we're a budget rally team. We're poor. So I found this on Rocky Mountain ATV for like 35 bucks, I think. I'm hoping that it's going to do what I need it to do. As long as I can fit my helmet and helmet, neck restraint, suit, hopefully my Nomex stuff and shoes when I get them in here. So I got the bag all straightened out. I also wanted to show you while I'm doing this, I did just order a new helmet as my old one was expired. Actually, I borrowed one for the last 2 rallies because mine expired before I came back. I haven't rallied since 2010 until this past year, so I was fortunate enough to borrow a helmet, and I finally bought one when the new ones came out. This is the Zamp. I think it's the RL70E. I also wanted to add that I've dealt with Will from Susquehanna Motorsports a few times now. I got this helmet through him. I've bought a few of my Hella Lights through him, and he has been wonderful to deal with every time. Even if there's an issue with anything, he's always dealt with it directly for me, and it has been great to deal with him. So I highly recommend going through him. And shot of his website and his Facebook. Reach out to him if you need anything, and he will take care of it. It's what they call their rally helmet. I wanted something that was still open with plenty of vision. I don't like a full face with the closed down. I just feel too closed in of where I can see. I also wanted a helmet with the built-in ear cups where the speakers go inside, because both other helmets I've had didn't have them, and the speakers from my column just wedge up in there, and they're either one buried behind the padding and you can't hear, or two, they're shoving into your ear and is pretty painful after a couple hours in the car. So this had the ear pad. It also had a front. I wanted some frontal protection, but it was still open enough to be, I mean, the vision out of it's pretty close to an open face helmet, just like my old one was. There's 2 ports. I had my intercom installed into it. It's all built into the helmet now, was put in. It was ready for neck restraint or Hans post. Those just bolted on, ready to go. There's also another one over here where you can put a hydration pad. So pretty excited to try this out. SNODRIFT will be its first time out. It's comfortable, still needs broke in a little bit, but pretty excited. But that's one of the things that'll be in the bag, so figured I'd show it in case you're looking for a helmet. I can't remember exactly the price of the helmet, but it was a lot cheaper than some of the other brands. But I want to make sure that it'll fit in the bag. So there's the helmet. Here's my suit. Neck restraint could also go in this pocket. This down flat, and helmet on top, which still leaves me plenty of room. This gear bag I bought from Rocky Mountain ATV. Knew when I used to race quads and dirt bikes. I had a gear bag. Loved it. It was probably twice the size of this, but they're like 250 bucks. And the zippers had seized up completely on them. I tried to get it to work because I hate to blow money on another bag, but unfortunately it died. So I bought this and was afraid it'd be too small, but I'll show you here. And so in here is my neck restraint, which is inside this bag. It's all in there. Helmet is in there. Suit is down in the bottom. I think this bag's like 27 inches long.
So about 2.5 feet long. It's, I guess, roomier than I expected it to be, so pretty excited. I should still be able to easily fit my Nomex underwear, gloves, socks, all that in here pretty easily too. So happy I got it. Crew should be happy so they don't have to dig through my, let me find it here. Here is my original bag, which my tonneau cover came in. It is, let's see, I'm 6'4", it's probably 7 foot tall, so when everything got down in the bottom, they had to dig through it like Santa Claus. You know, it's hard to keep your service happy, but I try. So this is the new bag. We'll give it a go. Should work great to keep all the things in there separate. That way I'm not jockeying them all around in the truck and having them in totes and forgetting this and forgetting that. And when we go to tech and they need that stuff, they can just grab this bag and take it with them in the car. So should work out great. Pretty stoked to have this and super happy that it was 35 bucks. So that's what we went with. Should work out great. I'll let you know if I like it or dislike it, but so far so good.
Since this initial gear bag helmet unboxing / review, we have done and completed SNODRIFT Rally. Both of them performed as expected and have no complaints with either one. And also we made our first podium at a national event. Keep it shiny side up. Thanks for watching, and as always, rally on. Looks like them donkeys is at it again.